Have you noticed how your muscles seem to fade faster than you expected? Maybe you catch yourself hesitating before standing up or feel worn out after simple tasks. What if I told you this muscle loss isn't just normal aging, but a hidden warning your body is sending, and you can fight back starting tonight? Muscle loss, known medically as sarcopenia, secretly affects nearly 1/3 of people over 60. It doesn't just steal your strength, it steals your independence, your confidence, and your joy. The shocking truth is this: your muscles aren't just disappearing by accident. They vanish because your body isn't getting what it needs to repair itself while you sleep. Here's the secret. Most seniors don't realize your body's muscle repair system works hardest when you're in deep sleep. That's when crucial hormones like human growth hormone, HGH, surge to rebuild damaged muscle fibers. But if your sleep is restless or interrupted, your muscles miss this vital repair window. Over time, this leads to shrinking muscles and a weaker body. So ask yourself, how often do you truly sleep deeply enough for your muscles to repair? If you wake up tired or restless, you're unknowingly speeding up muscle loss. Science shows that improving your sleep environment, making your bedroom darker, cooler, and quieter, can dramatically boost deep sleep stages. Are you giving your body this chance every night? Now, there's another hidden key to muscle survival that you can use before bedtime, a specific kind of protein that feeds your muscles through the night. Casein protein, found in cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, digests slowly, providing a steady flow of amino acids to your muscles during those crucial hours. Studies prove that seniors who consume casein before bed reduce muscle breakdown and improve recovery. Have you been missing this simple step in your routine? If dairy isn't your thing, don't worry. Pea or soy protein shakes work too, but avoid heavy or fatty snacks late at night as they disrupt sleep and muscle repair. Instead, a small protein snack about 30 to 60 minutes before bed can secretly transform how your muscles rebuild. Have you tried this yet? And here's a warning many overlook. Complete inactivity before sleep can actually harm muscle recovery. Light movement, like gentle stretching or slow yoga poses, boosts blood flow and oxygen to your muscles, supercharging repair overnight. You might think rest means no movement, but the opposite is true. Could adding 5 minutes of gentle stretches before bed change how strong you feel tomorrow? Try this. Lie down, pull one knee gently toward your chest, or roll your shoulders slowly in circles. It's easy, safe, and backed by research showing improved flexibility and muscle recovery in seniors. If you haven't moved like this before bedtime, you're missing a powerful tool to stop muscle loss. Putting it all together, dark, cool sleep spaces, a slow-digesting protein snack, and gentle pre-sleep movement creates a secret trifecta to protect your muscles. How ready are you to start this tonight? These aren't complicated changes. They are powerful habits that can reverse muscle loss quietly but effectively. What one simple change can you commit to this evening that your muscles have been secretly begging for? Sleep better? Snack smarter? Move gently? Your strongest self depends on it. Now that you know these hidden secrets, imagine unlocking even more ways to keep your muscles firm and your energy high as you age. Let's dive deeper and uncover what else you can do to fight muscle loss, because your body deserves that chance. Now that you've unlocked the power of deep sleep, protein before bed, and gentle movement, it's time to reveal more hidden factors that silently sabotage your muscle strength, and how you can fight back starting tonight. Have you ever thought about how hydration affects your muscles? It's shocking how many people overlook this. Your muscles are about 75% water, and without enough fluids, they can't function or repair properly. Even mild dehydration reduces muscle strength and increases fatigue. Here's the catch. As you age, your thirst sensation dulls, so you might not feel thirsty even when your body desperately needs water. Ask yourself, how much water have you had today? And are you drinking enough in the evening without disturbing your sleep? You don't want to drink too much right before bed to avoid waking up at night, but sipping a glass of water an hour before sleep supports muscle cells repair. Work. Dehydrated muscles don't just weaken, they become prone to cramps and injury. Have you ever woken up with painful leg cramps? That could be your muscles signaling a secret water shortage. Next, let's talk about inflammation, the hidden enemy that accelerates muscle loss. Chronic, low-level inflammation is common as we age, and it quietly breaks down muscle fibers faster than your body can repair them. Foods high in sugar and processed fats feed this inflammation. Have you noticed your energy dip after eating certain meals? Or felt swollen or achy more than usual? This might be inflammation at work. The good news is, you can fight inflammation with what you eat before sleep. Anti-inflammatory foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, walnuts, or a small serving of turmeric tea, can calm this damaging process. Imagine giving your muscles a peaceful environment to heal overnight, free from inflammatory attacks. What if this small bedtime ritual could protect your strength? While we're on the topic of food, here's a shocking secret. Seniors often eat less protein overall, unknowingly fueling muscle loss. Your body actually needs more protein now than when you were younger to maintain muscle mass. It's called protein paradox. If you haven't been intentional about your protein intake throughout the day, your muscles don't have enough building blocks to stay strong, no matter how well you sleep. Try to spread your protein intake evenly, with a focus on that pre-sleep snack we talked about. Lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy all provide high-quality protein. Have you tracked your daily protein? It might surprise you how easily you can fall short. And now, here's a hidden trick. Supplementing with vitamin D isn't just about bones. It's crucial for muscle strength, too. Studies show seniors with low vitamin D levels experience faster muscle loss and higher fall risk. Since many older adults don't get enough sun exposure, especially in winter, vitamin D deficiency is a silent muscle thief. Have you had your vitamin D levels checked lately? If not, it could be the missing piece in your muscle health puzzle. A daily vitamin D supplement, taken with your evening meal or before bed, helps muscles contract and recover better. It also boosts your immune system, which supports overall health. Could this simple vitamin be the secret weapon you've been missing? Finally, don't underestimate stress. Yes, stress when it comes to your muscles. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle tissue to release energy quickly. If you feel tense, worried, or overwhelmed, your muscles are literally paying the price. How often do you carry stress to bed with you? Incorporating a calming pre-sleep routine, like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle music, lowers cortisol and creates a restful state for muscle repair. This quiet, mindful practice is more than relaxation, it's muscle protection. Have you tried calming techniques before sleep? Even 5 minutes can change the game. Putting all these secrets together, you're not just fighting muscle loss, you're creating an environment where your muscles thrive, even as you age. Hydrate smartly, calm inflammation with food, prioritize protein, boost vitamin D, and release stress before bed. Each step is a powerful act of care that your body will thank you for. Which of these new habits feels most doable for you tonight? What could you add to your evening that your muscles will reward tomorrow? Remember, every small change quietly builds the strength and freedom you deserve. As you continue to build these healthy bedtime habits, there's one final secret you must know, a factor so powerful it can transform your muscle health quietly but dramatically. The importance of resistance or strength training, even at your you might think I'm too old for heavy exercise or my body can't handle that anymore. But here's the shocking truth. Your muscles are like a fire that needs fuel and kindling. Without regular resistance, that fire dims and eventually goes out. Research shows seniors who engage in just 20 minutes of strength exercises 2 or 3 times a week can reverse muscle loss and boost metabolism. The question is, What kind of movement is safe and effective for you? You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Simple body weight exercises, like wall push-ups, seated leg lifts, or gentle squats, can awaken your muscles and send signals to your body that it's time to build strength. Have you tried any of these moves yet? If not, what's holding you back? Fear of injury? Lack of knowledge? Remember, starting slow and consistent is the secret to success. Combining these exercises with your nighttime routine creates a cycle of repair and growth. When your muscles work during the day and repair deeply during quality sleep, you unlock true strength. This harmony is the missing piece in the fight against muscle loss. Another hidden advantage of regular movement is improved circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, speeding recovery and reducing stiffness. Imagine waking up with less pain and more mobility simply by adding a few minutes of movement daily. What if this simple practice could change how you feel every morning? Beyond physical benefits, strength training boosts your confidence and mental health, helping you feel more independent and in control. When you're stronger, everyday tasks become easier. Carrying groceries, climbing stairs, even playing with grandchildren. How much would reclaiming this ease improve your quality of life? Now let's address another often overlooked factor, your gut health. Yes, your gut. Emerging science reveals a strong link between gut bacteria and muscle health. A balanced gut microbiome supports nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation, indirectly protecting muscles from breakdown. Are you paying attention to what feeds your gut every day? Probiotics found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or supplements can nurture these helpful bacteria. Could a small daily habit of adding fermented foods support your muscles more than you imagined? Lastly, consider the power of consistency. You might wonder if these changes really matter in the grand scheme, especially if you've struggled with muscle loss for years. But the body responds to steady, small actions. Like watering a plant little by little, day by day, your muscles grow stronger when you give them the right care regularly. Imagine looking back in a few months and realizing your strength and energy have returned. That's not a distant dream. It's possible starting tonight. What would it feel like to move freely without fear or pain? Before we close, I want you to remember this. Muscle loss isn't an inevitable part of aging. It's a process you can slow, stop, and even reverse with the right habits. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal, rebuild, and thrive no matter your age. What is one step you're going to take tonight to protect your muscles? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else. If this conversation has sparked new ideas, please like this video and subscribe for more practical advice designed to help you live your best life at any age. Your journey to stronger muscles and greater independence starts with the choices you make today. Here's to waking up tomorrow feeling stronger, healthier, and ready to embrace life fully, because you deserve nothing less. By now, you've discovered a treasure trove of simple but powerful habits that can stop your muscles from vanishing and bring back your strength. It's incredible to think that so many seniors quietly struggle with muscle loss when the solutions have been within reach all along, waiting for you to take that first step. Think about the journey you're on. Each night, you have the chance to give your body the rest, nourishment, and care it needs to rebuild muscles and restore vitality. It's not about huge leaps or complicated routines. It's about consistent, intentional choices. That small protein snack before bed, a few gentle stretches, sipping water mindfully, calming your mind, and even a bit of movement during the day all add up in ways you can feel. Have you noticed how just a few changes can lift your mood and energy? That's your body responding to care, telling you it's ready to heal. How empowering is it to realize you hold the key to your muscle health? And it doesn't stop here. Your muscles are not just about strength. They're the foundation of your independence, your confidence, your ability to do the things you love. Protecting them means protecting your freedom to live life fully on your terms. So take a moment now to reflect. What small step can you commit to tonight? How will you honor your body's needs and give your muscles the chance to grow stronger? Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please share your experience or questions in the comments below. Your story might be the encouragement someone else needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, so you won't miss more practical tips designed just for you. Remember, it's never too late to reclaim your strength and vitality. Your muscles want to thrive, and with your care, they will. Here's to living your best life, stronger and healthier every single day. You deserve it.